colors, colors, come sing today. Navy blue and peach lead the way. Learning colors is so much fun. Let's discover them one by one. Navy blue is the ocean, deep and wide. Navy blue is the boat we take for a ride. Navy blue is the sky at night, or a cozy blanket tucked in tight. Navy blue is the jeans we wear. Navy blue is the starry night air. Navy blue is the whale swimming slow. Can you find navy blue? Let it show. Peach is the fruit, juicy and sweet. Peach is the dress, so light and neat. Peach is the flower, blooming bright, or a soft sunset fading light. Peach is the sand at the beach, so fair. Peach is the shell we find with care. Peach is the crayon in our art. Can you find peach? Let's start. Colors, colors, come sing today. Navy blue and peach lead the way. Learning colors is so much fun. Let's discover them one by one.